how to view all application on your MacBook or your iMac. So the first way to do it is you want to go to your bottom of your screen and then choose on this Launchpad. The logo of Launchpad is like this Tetris one or like a rocket one. You want to click on it and there you go. You will have all of your application, and you can also slide to the left or right with your two fingers like this. And there you go. And the second way to do it, you want to go to your bottom again and then choose on Finder right here. And then on Finder, on your favorites right here, you want to go to Applications. And this will be all of your application. And the last way to do it, if you are on MacBook, you can do it by your trackpad right here. So you want to have your 5 finger right here and do this motion. So you want to do it. And there you go. So to undo it is you want to go to opposite. So this one and that one. This is my favorite to do it. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.